Hi guys, today we're making fluffy slime without glue or shaving cream. We're actually not using borax either. I'm using a peel-off face mask in place of the glue. I saw Cute Life Hacks use this in one of her videos. Thank you.
You're welcome.
In place of shaving cream, I'm using foam soap. For an activator, I'm using a mixture of baking soda and contact lens solution. You don't have to be precise when mixing these. I added a little too much activator and it made it kind of stiff, so I added some hand lotion to help put some stretch back in the slime. There you have it, fluffy slime without glue, shaving cream, or borax. If you're looking for something a little bigger, be sure to check out my giant butter slime on giant toast. I'll put the link in the description box below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram @WillItSlime. Thanks for watching.